This video is intended to be used by EPA personnel and contractors for instructional purposes. EPA often uses vapor pens to collect air samples beneath a building's slab or foundation. In this video, the sample team demonstrates how to install a vapor pen. It is important to use clean vapor pens, supplies, and tools to avoid cross-contamination. The team will use the following equipment and supplies: a hammer drill, 1.5 inch diameter hammer bit, 5/8 inch diameter hammer bit, vapor pen with protective cap and silicone sleeve, 3/4 inch diameter bottle brush, vapor pen installation extraction tool, vapor pen drilling guide, stainless steel cover for the vapor pen, dead blow hammer, distilled water to check for leaks, hand pump, a number 14 spanner tool, and a wet-dry vacuum with a HEPA filter. Check for buried obstacles like utilities before drilling. Using the 1.5 inch bit, the team drills a hole 1 3/4 inches into the slab. The team uses the wet-dry vac to remove debris and concrete dust in and around the hole. Once the bit is 1 3/4 inches deep, the sampler uses the 5/8 inch bit to drill through the center of the drilling guide to ensure that the hole is vertical. After removing the drill bit, use the bottle brush and wet-dry vac to remove loose debris from the hole. The sampler pushes the silicone sleeve onto the lower part of the pen prior to installing the vapor pen. He then places the lower end of the vapor pen in the hole. He places the installation extraction tool over the pen and taps the tool with a dead blow hammer until the pen has reached the correct depth. In this video, the team is placing the pen below the slab. With the protective cap in place, the sampler ensures that the sub-slab port is in good condition by conducting a water dam test. He fills the hole with distilled water to check for bubbles, which would indicate leaks. Following the water dam test, the sampler removes water with the wet-dry vac. The sampler uses a hand pump to evacuate the vapor pen to remove any obstructions. When finished, he secures the stainless steel cover to the vapor pen using the spanner tool. Prior to using the vapor pen, EPA recommends conducting a leak test using a helium shroud.